if I told you that you could create stunning, professional-grade images, graphics, and designs without ever touching a camera, without hiring a designer, and without spending hours learning complicated software? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Adobe Firefly, Adobe's powerful AI design tool, from the very first click to creating your first jaw-dropping image. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's tried AI tools before and got overwhelmed, this guide is built for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn simple text into stunning visuals, and I'll also show you a few pro tips that most beginners miss completely. Let's dive in. What is Adobe Firefly? Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly understand what Adobe Firefly actually is. Firefly is Adobe's family of generative AI tools, built directly into the Adobe ecosystem. Unlike some AI tools that feel disconnected or clunky, Firefly is designed to work seamlessly with the tools you may already know, like Photoshop and Illustrator, while also functioning as a standalone web app that anyone can use even with zero design experience. What makes Firefly special is that it's trained with commercial use in mind. That means the images you generate can be used for client work, business branding, social media content, and more, without worrying about murky copyright issues that plague some other AI generators. For designers, marketers, content creators, and small business owners, this is a huge deal. Now let's get into the actual steps. Step 1. Signing up and accessing Firefly. The first step is heading over to the Adobe Firefly website. You can simply search Adobe Firefly in your browser or go directly to firefly.adobe.com. Once you're there, you'll need an Adobe account. If you already use Photoshop, Lightroom, or any other Adobe product, you can simply log in with your existing Adobe ID. If you're brand new to Adobe, don't worry, creating an account is completely free and takes less than a minute. Just click Sign Up, enter your email, create a password, and you're in. Adobe also offers a free tier of Firefly, which gives you a generous number of generative credits each month. This means you can start creating immediately without paying a single cent. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Firefly dashboard. This is your command center, and at first glance, it might look like there's a lot going on. But don't worry, we're going to break it down piece by piece. Step 2. Understanding the Firefly interface. When you first open Firefly, you'll see a grid of different tools and modules. Think of these as different modes depending on what you want to create. The main ones you'll see include text-to-image, generative fill, generative recolor, text effects, and generate similar. For beginners, the most important one to understand first is text-to-image. This is the heart of Firefly. It's where you type a description of what you want, and the AI generates a visual based on your words. This single feature alone can replace hours of stock photo searching, sketching, or hiring outside help for simple visual content. On the left side of most modules, you'll find your prompt box. This is where you describe what you want. On the right side, you'll see your generated results, along with style and settings options. Take a moment to just explore this layout. Familiarity with the interface will make everything else in this tutorial much easier to follow. Step 3. Creating your first image with text-to-image. Now, for the fun part, let's actually create something. Click on Text-to-Image from the dashboard. You'll see a large text box where you can type your prompt. Here's a pro tip for beginners. The more specific and descriptive your prompt, the better your results. Instead of typing something vague like a cat, try something like a fluffy orange cat sitting on a windowsill, soft morning light, photorealistic style. Notice how this prompt includes the subject, the setting, the lighting, and the style, all of which guide the AI toward a much more polished result. Once you type your prompt, hit Generate. Within seconds, Firefly will produce 4 different image variations based on your description. This is one of the things that makes Firefly so beginner-friendly. You're not stuck with just one result. You get options, so you can pick the one that best matches your vision, or use them as inspiration to refine your prompt further. On the right-hand panel, you'll notice additional settings, aspect ratio, content type, art or graphic, and style presets like vibrant, warm, cool, or black and white. Play around with these. Changing even one setting can completely transform the mood and look of your image. Now, if you're finding this helpful so far, do me a quick favor, hit that like button. It genuinely helps this video reach more beginners just like you, and it only takes 2 seconds. Also, if you haven't already, consider subscribing because we're going deeper into more Firefly features right after this, and you won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's keep going. Step 4. Using generative fill to edit and expand images, one of the most powerful features in Firefly, and one that genuinely surprises beginners, is generative fill. This tool allows you to add, remove, or replace parts of an image using nothing but a text prompt. Here's how it works. Upload an existing image, or use one you just generated. Then, use the selection tool to highlight the area you want to change. This could be a background, an object, or even empty space around your image that you want to fill in. Once you've made your selection, type a prompt describing what you want in that space. For example, if you have a photo of a product on a plain white background and you want to place it in a cozy living room setting, you simply select the background area, type cozy living room with warm lighting and a wooden shelf, and Firefly will generate that environment around your product, seamlessly blending it in. This feature alone can save businesses thousands of dollars in photography and staging costs. Instead of renting a studio or location, you can create realistic backgrounds and settings directly within Firefly. Step 5. Expanding images with generative expand. Another feature beginners absolutely love is the ability to expand images beyond their original borders. Let's say you have a perfect photo, but it's the wrong aspect ratio for what you need. Maybe you need it to be wider for a banner, or taller for a social media story. Instead of cropping and losing important parts of your image, Firefly lets you extend the canvas and generates new content that matches the style, lighting, and composition of your original image. Simply drag the canvas borders outward in the direction you want to expand, and Firefly will intelligently fill in that new space. This is incredibly useful for repurposing content across different platforms. One image can now work for Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, website banners, and more, all without needing to create separate designs from scratch. Step 6. Using text effects for eye-catching typography. If you've ever wanted to create stylized text-like text that looks like it's made of fire, water, glass, or neon lights, Firefly's text effects tool makes this incredibly simple. Just type the word or phrase you want to stylize, then describe the effect you're going for in the prompt box. For example, typing sail and then describing molten gold texture with a glowing outline can instantly create eye-catching text perfect for promotions, thumbnails, or social media graphics. This tool is a favorite among content creators because it eliminates the need for complex layer effects, textures, and filters that would normally require advanced Photoshop skills. With Firefly, professional-looking typography is just a prompt away. Step 7. Generative recolor for instant color variations. Color plays a massive role in design, branding, and mood, but experimenting with different color schemes can be time-consuming. That's where generative recolor comes in. Upload a vector graphic or illustration, and Firefly will allow you to instantly generate different color variations based on a simple prompt. Want to see how your logo looks in autumn tones instead of cool blues? Just describe it, and Firefly will generate multiple recolored versions for you to compare side by side. This is especially useful for businesses testing branding concepts, seasonal promotions, or simply exploring creative directions without committing to a final color scheme too early. Step 8. Firefly inside Photoshop and other Adobe apps. Here's something many beginners don't realize. Firefly isn't just a standalone website. It's also integrated directly into apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Adobe Express. If you already use Photoshop, you'll find generative fill built right into your existing workflow. This means you can combine traditional editing tools with AI generation in the same project, giving you the best of both worlds: precise manual control alongside powerful AI assistance. For beginners, this integration means you don't have to choose between AI tools and professional design software. Firefly enhances the tools you may already be learning, making your overall design journey smoother and more efficient. Step 9. Practical tips for better results. Before we wrap up, let's go through a few practical tips that will dramatically improve your results as a beginner. First, always be specific in your prompts. Include details about subject, setting, lighting, mood, and style. The more context you give Firefly, the more aligned the output will be with your vision. Second, don't be afraid to generate multiple times. AI generation is iterative. Your first result doesn't have to be your final result. Treat it like a creative back-and-forth conversation. Third, explore the style presets and settings panels. These small adjustments can make a massive difference in the final look of your image, and experimenting with them is one of the fastest ways to learn what Firefly is capable of. Finally, remember that Firefly images are designed with commercial safety in mind, which means you can confidently use your creations for client projects, branding, marketing materials, and content creation without worrying about licensing conflicts. And there you have it, a complete beginner's walkthrough of Adobe Firefly in 2026. From signing up and understanding the interface, to generating your first images, editing with generative fill, expanding your canvas, creating stunning typography, and exploring color variations, you now have everything you need to start creating professional quality visuals today. The best part? You don't need years of design experience or expensive equipment. Just a clear idea, a good prompt, and a little bit of curiosity. If this video helped you, do me a favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. And if you want more tutorials like this, covering AI tools, design tips, and creative workflows, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's coming next. Drop a comment below and let me know what's the first thing you're going to create with Adobe Firefly. I'd genuinely love to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.